rather hideous color combination, don't you think?
Mm-hmm. That purple and orange.
Oh, over that part over there, huh? Okay.
Lean back.
Oh no, that's where I go all the time.
It's all right.
Nothing to worry about.
Really pick it up. That's cold on the ass.
If you bite
Just
that,
in
no
case.
extra charge.
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty much everybody's butts get wet. You I give the best chance of staying dry. You actually I give the only chance of staying dry. Everybody else I won't make deals with. But remind you, it's nothing personal. I had one guy once sitting in the back, much like this situation. His enchanting wife was sitting in the front, and he said he'd give me $5 every time I killed him. Well, I tried and it worked out, and I was thinking this is going to be a great tipping boat. I was doing a good job. Really hard to actually point these things, or point the waves. They're all different every time. So I'm thinking this is going to be a good night, boy. Great. I get down to the bottom. She climbs out. Says, "How do you like? How funny now?" She says, "How you like me now, funny guy? I've got the money." Something like that. Great. You think your camera's going to be all right up there? Or do you want me to try to take it? If you hold it up, it should fare. Just hold it as high as you can, but it's kind of...
East Texas area.
Yeah, we get kind of nasty down below this bridge. What's that?
Up along the...
Okay, good news.
Yeah, that's fine woods up there.
When the Olympics were on, I like to slalom through those poles holding up the bridge. They're not on anymore. No chance for the medal, so I'm not going to do it. Everybody's linked up arms. It's a good time. United we sit, divided we swim. We're going to go around the rock called tabletop. You can kind of see it's got a nice corner to it like a kitchen table, nice flat surface. Try not to. Somebody did a couple weeks ago. A couple weeks ago the river was so high that was the only rock showing. There were no other rocks visible in the river. And somebody did hit that rock. Actually 7 people got thrown out of the boat.
Oh, Lord.
4 of whom were pulled back in. Pretty scary deal, actually. Got a photographer down here. Everybody needs a smile.
Hold on, dude.
Make it all right?
Yeah.
You got a
Oh, that
great
was a great
screen.
shot.
I'm not wet.
I want you to sit up front.
Ask him, thou shalt receive.
Feel a lot of love here. We've got a couple more little drops. We may scream once again. These next two corners are our last drops, and then it calms out for the rest of the way river, so everybody enjoy it. A couple good screams, maybe some hearty laughter even. Like that, great example. Straighten this out here. If anything happens, remember I love each and every one of you. Left-hand side. This is our last one. Now give that boat ahead of us a good scream. We can all woo.
Yeah, that campground behind us.
So 2 days to dry out.
4 to defrost.
Yeah. Only one side is wet.
My butt even got wet. I don't know how that happened.
Are you dry, dear?
We ducked
No,
out.
I have a little dampness on my legs.
Oh.
You got an extra shirt in here.
No,
so I'm
I was
trying to
holding it up here.
I want the rest
Getting some good shots on the way too, buddy.
We got a wet once before.
Now you can see where you've been.
Want me to take that bail bucket and do that back here? Well, it's all kind of, you know, there's no dividers or anything, and if I bail here, it pretty much empties out the whole boat.
That's it for the rapids.
I guess it doesn't have a auto bail on it, huh?
I know.
Anybody not get
Yeah,
wet,
we
I
do.
can take
His
care
name's
of that.
Gus.
Thank you.
But you know, I think my shoes have holes in them.
60,
Junkyard Bend.
there's a big piece of the glacier that calved off and dammed the mouth of the river, a big chunk of ice. So what happened was was after the piece of ice melted, it sent a flash flood down the valley, washed all these cars from the movie theater into the river. Wow. There were people in it. A lot died. Two of the survivors, there's a little story. One was the popcorn guy. He wasn't in the car. He came out of his little popcorn hut, and he saw some legs sticking out of one of these cars. Went to go save her, being the hero that he was, grabbed onto her ankle. And he began to pull on her leg almost as hard as I'm pulling on your leg right now. That's another bad joke.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
There. But you can imagine he's got these broken ribs. That didn't feel too good with these native women hugging him, cheering for him. And he reached a point where he was too weak to speak, and he was trying to Ireland, and then had 3 Americans in the back. So I was like, I learned that lesson the hard way. There's a beaver den on our left. That pile of sticks. Yeah. I've seen that beaver a couple times over this way. Anyhow, so at one time, this is how I learned why to ask for people where they're from. I had 6 Mexicans, 4 people from Germany.
What do you say to them when you have these audience?
And I told them this joke, right? He said, "You stand 4 feet apart." Duckies. Oh, there's an eagle back there too. We'll go right by it.
Where?
On that beach, right in the middle of the beach on a stump.
Oh, yeah, I see him.
We'll go right by it.
You get a good shot of that, huh?
No, I can't see him now.
We'll get up close to it.
Oh, I see him now. Majestically perched right in the middle of the island.
Yes. You got a good
Yeah.
close-up of him?
There you go.
Cool.
Everybody make poodle sounds. Shh, don't do that. Poodles aren't that big.
Actually, I understand they like cat a lot better.
I wish I had a spare kitten with me.
Well, remember, in ADAC they couldn't have them.
Yeah.
Well, you know, I have a shitty camera and I get a good shot of him.
Bald eagle. Hasn't heard of Rogaine.
Look this way, bird.
That's a good profile.
Yeah, that's good now. Now smile. Hey, Hollywood it up a little. Oh, hey, there he goes. See, there he is. He's just kind of walking around. He's cool.
It's a non-flying eagle.
Well, he's an old eagle. It's very, very hard to fly. Some days you just have to walk. Oh, now you're hiding behind the bush. Come out over here. Yes, good eagle. Now, could you, like, spread your wings just a little bit? Come on, give us a little wing action here. A little wing action, bird. Bird? No, no, don't walk anymore. You're acting like a chicken now.
Pop up on the little stump.
Come on, give us some of that wing action. Yeah, he's gonna do it when he gets up to the stump. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Come on.
Oh,
Come on, you can do
He
it.
stayed shy.
You can do it. Come on, you can do it. There. Oh, hey. Now, just spread those wings a little further next time. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Watch him take a crap right now. There.
You go different places each summer?
Last 2 summers